Do you frequently suffer from unexplained fatigue, gas, skin allergies, anxiety, or mood swings when life looks normal on the outside, but something inside is gradually falling apart? What if all this isn't just a set of common issues, but a silently worsening destruction of your gut, which is quietly damaging both your body and mind? The gut is your second brain, and when it breaks down, the impact isn't limited to the stomach, but also affects your mental clarity, emotions, and immunity. But the good news is you can heal it not with medicines, but with science-backed small natural steps. Research from the National Institute of Health, Mayo Clinic, and Harvard Medical School shows that the gut microbiome is the biggest foundation of our digestion, immunity, weight balance, and mental health, including anxiety, depression, stress tolerance, and sleep quality. The good thing is you can heal the gut even without medicines, simply by adopting the right natural steps. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Syed M Quadri, a US Board-Certified Psychiatrist, and I've been working in the field of mental health and neuroscience for the past 20 years. Today we will talk about 25 simple and scientifically backed ways through which you can naturally boost your gut health and bring remarkable improvement in your overall health. Your gut is not just a digestive organ, it is your internal powerhouse, where trillions of good bacteria work together to control your digestion, immunity, mood, and even weight. When this microscopic army is in balance, you feel energetic, mentally clear, and emotionally stable. But the moment this balance is disturbed, the effects show not just in your stomach, but also on your skin, mental health, and your entire body. Skin breakouts, anxiety, chronic fatigue, or falling sick frequently, these are all signals that something is wrong inside. Now is the time to heal your gut, and that too without medications. So let's explore 25 science-backed natural ways that can make your gut vibrant, balanced, and strong again. 1. Eat fermented foods. Fermented foods like curd, kefir, and kimchi contain good bacteria, probiotics, that strengthen the gut bacteria present in our stomach. These not only improve digestion, but also reduce problems like bloating and gas. According to a 2020 study, Frontiers in Microbiology, regularly taking probiotics reduces intestinal inflammation and improves bowel movement. This is a natural way to keep the gut healthy. 2. Include prebiotic foods. Prebiotic foods like onion, garlic, banana, and asparagus act as fertilizer, food for the good bacteria in our gut. They help these bacteria thrive and nourish the gut microbiome from within. When your gut microbiome is strong, your immunity also improves and the body becomes more resistant to infections. 3. Eat more fiber. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber is the main fuel for gut bacteria, and it makes bowel movements smooth. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology states that a high-fiber diet improves the diversity of gut bacteria. 4. Stay hydrated. To strengthen the gut lining and properly absorb nutrients, it is very important for the body to have the right amount of water. When you drink enough water daily, toxins are easily flushed out of your body, and digestion also remains smooth. Hydration strengthens the foundation of your gut health. 5. Reduce processed sugar. A high sugar diet can disturb the balance in your gut as it gives bad bacteria a chance to grow. This increases bloating, fatigue, and sudden intense cravings for food. When you reduce processed sugar, gut inflammation decreases and your stomach feels lighter. When the gut gets the right fuel, digestion, immunity, and mood all start to improve. Now let's learn how lifestyle and movement can help enhance gut health. 6. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity not only keeps your body active, but also increases the variety of gut bacteria, which strengthens your digestive system. According to a report by Harvard Health, doing moderate exercise produces beneficial fatty acids that heal the gut and reduce inflammation. 7. Practice yoga. In yoga, asanas like Pawanmuktasana and Bhujangasana naturally increase the movement of your intestines, which improves digestion. Additionally, yoga calms your gut-brain connection, reducing stress and relieving stomach disturbances. 8. Get adequate sleep. If you don't get enough sleep, it can disturb the balance of your gut microbiome. Getting 7 to 9 hours of deep and uninterrupted sleep daily, not only controls inflammation, but also makes digestion smooth. Remember, good sleep is the beginning of a healthy gut. 9. Manage stress. Chronic stress damages your gut lining and promotes the growth of bad bacteria. Spending a little time daily on meditation, journaling, or a nature walk reduces cortisol levels, which keeps both your mind and gut calm. 10. Spend time outdoors. When you spend time in nature, the cortisol stress hormone level in your body decreases and the diversity of gut bacteria improves. Indirect contact with soil, such as gardening or walking among trees, introduces good microbes into the gut that are beneficial for digestion and immunity. For your gut, it's not just about what you're eating, how you're living is equally important. Now let's talk about some overlooked yet impactful practices. 11. Chew food properly. When you chew each bite 25 to 30 times, the digestive enzymes present in saliva become active and start digesting the food right away. This reduces the effort your gut needs to break down the food and makes digestion smoother. 12. Avoid over-sanitization. Excessive use of sanitizers and disinfectants can be harmful to your gut. When the body doesn't get exposure to normal microbes, immunity begins to weaken. Natural microbial exposure strengthens our immune system. 13. Eat seasonal and local foods. Seasonal and local fruits and vegetables are not only fresh, but also naturally match your body's biological clock. They increase the variety of beneficial bacteria in your gut and make digestion easier. 14. Take probiotic supplements. If you've recently taken antibiotics or have a chronic digestion-related problem, probiotic supplements help restore the population of good bacteria in the gut. But remember, never start supplements on your own. Always take them under a doctor's guidance. 15. Limit antibiotic use. Antibiotics don't just kill harmful bacteria, but also destroy the good bacteria present in the gut. Repeated and unnecessary use of antibiotics disturbs the balance of gut flora. Therefore, only take antibiotics with a doctor's advice and in the correct dosage. Gut healing is not a fast, but a smart process. Some habits work like hidden gems. Now let's discover a few such powerful food-based approaches. 16. Consume polyphenol-rich foods. Foods like green tea, berries, and olive oil contain polyphenols. These are powerful antioxidants that promote good bacteria in the gut, reduce inflammation, and support overall digestion. 17th. Practice mindful eating. Avoid TV, mobile, or any distractions while eating. Feel every bite and chew slowly. This habit not only improves digestion, but also helps you avoid unnecessary overeating. 18. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting means maintaining a structured gap between eating and not eating. This gives the gut lining time to repair and improves the quality and variety of good bacteria. Research shows that controlled fasting can be very beneficial for gut health. 19. Add collagen-rich foods. Collagen-rich foods like bone broth and gelatin help repair and strengthen your gut lining. These are especially effective in preventing leaky gut syndrome and soothing the digestive tract. 20. Stay mentally active. When you learn something new, like a skill, language, or solving a puzzle, the brain-gut axis also stays active. This not only boosts your cognitive performance, but also positively influences the gut microbiome. The gut is not just an organ, it is the core of your energy, emotion, and immunity. Now let's strengthen the gut healing journey with the final 5 methods. 21. Laugh often. When you laugh openly, feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin are released in your body. These not only uplift your mood, but also improve gut movement motility. Laughter reduces stress, which naturally improves digestion. 22. Reduce alcohol consumption. Alcohol directly damages the gut lining and causes the growth of harmful bacteria. It can weaken the gut barrier, allowing toxins to easily enter the bloodstream. If you are healing your gut, completely avoid alcohol or take it in very limited quantities. 23. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing calms the nervous system and improves blood flow in the gut. This helps relieve bloating and irritation. An article from Harvard Medical School states the diaphragmatic breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which directly supports digestion and gut motility. Just 5 to 10 minutes of daily deep breathing can help restore your gut-brain axis. 24. Stay consistent with habits. Gut healing is not a magic trick. It is a slow and steady process. When you consistently follow good habits like diet, sleep, hydration, and stress management, your microbiome gradually resets and the gut lining begins to repair. So be patient and stick to your routine. 25. Celebrate small wins. Whenever you take a small healthy step, like avoiding junk food for a day or getting 8 hours of sleep, your brain releases dopamine. These mini rewards keep you motivated and make the gut health journey enjoyable. Enjoy this process, celebrate it, and keep moving forward. Remember, your gut is not just a digestive system, but the real powerhouse of your immunity, mood, energy, and mental clarity. The gut microbiome has a deep connection with your brain and emotions, and that's why healing the gut can become the most powerful and natural key to overcoming anxiety, depression, and chronic stress. Small changes like a balanced diet, a mindful lifestyle, and simple daily habits can bring results that even medicines cannot. Healing the gut is not just a physical recovery, it is a transformative journey of self-awareness, self-love, and inner peace. Take a small step today. Your gut, your mind, and your body will all be grateful for it. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments which one of these 25 gut healing habits you would like to start with. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss videos on health, mental well-being, and science-backed natural tips.